Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Xterra key battery. Open the key fob by pressing the release latch and sliding the shell apart to expose the battery. Use a small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery without bending contacts. Note the battery orientation before removing it so you can install the new one correctly for reliable remote function. Start by locating the plastic clip that holds the battery in place and carefully release it with a screwdriver. Lift the old CR2032 straight up from the edge to avoid contact damage to the terminals. Check the battery negative and positive sides so you know the correct orientation. Clean the battery contacts with a dry cotton swab if they look dirty to ensure a good electrical connection when the new battery is installed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cab smelling great after greasy hands or a battery swap. It's a small touch that makes a big difference when you climb back in. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the same orientation as the old one, pressing it gently until the clip holds it securely. Reassemble the key fob shell by aligning the halves and sliding them together until you hear a click. Test the lock, unlock, and panic buttons from a short distance to confirm the battery change worked. If the remote fails, reopen the fob and recheck contact alignment or battery orientation before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.